Hi everyone, welcome to the Dance Antique, and I'm Alina. Today we are going to practice the essential Baroque dance steps demi-coupé, coupé and pas-de-bourrée or fleuret. How would you do this step? Normally, you don't even think about that, you just step, say on the right foot. So, how can we turn this simple step in the dancing step of belly dance technique? We add two essential elements. One is a turnout. Another one is movement.
Let's see how these elements applied to a simple step turn it into a demi-coupé. Rameau described 4 elements to perform demi-coupé. We will look into them as we would do the step on the right foot. You prepare for the step starting in the 4th position with the left foot in front and the right foot behind, pointed. To begin demi-coupé, on the upbeat, bring the right foot in the 1st position beside your left foot, but off the ground. Bend both knees equally, keeping the weight of the body on the left foot. On count 1, carry the right foot forward to the 4th position, at the same time transferring the weight of the body to it. At the end, rise on the ball of your foot or on demi-pointe. Also, at the same time, bring the left foot close to the right heel and straighten both your knees when you are rising. Prepare with the feet in the 4th position. On the upbeat, bend the knees and bring the right foot close to the 1st position. On count 1, move right foot forward, rise, bring the left foot close and straighten your knees. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Demi-coupé can be done in all directions. Here are some examples, including backwards and sideways. Now, we will look at pas-de-bourrée, one of the most common steps in Baroque dance. To be precise, the step I will show Rameau specifies as fleuret. However, in modern vocabulary, it is often called simply pas-de-bourrée. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Pas-de-bourrée starts with demi-coupé, followed by 2 pas-marchés. Prepare as before. On upbeat, bend the knees and bring the right foot in the 1st position beside the left. On count 1, carry the right foot forward to the 4th position, at the same time transferring the weight to it, and rise to the demi-point. Then do 2 steps or pas-marchés on the ball of your feet, starting left, then right. Coupé is composed of demi-coupé and pas glissé. Pas glissé is a slow sliding step made by passing the foot gently forwards so that it hardly touches the ground. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Prepare as before. On the upbeat, bring the right foot in the first position beside the left. Bend both knees equally, keeping the weight of the body on the left foot. On count 1, carry the right foot forward to the fourth position, transferring the weight to it and rise on the demi-pointe. On count 2, lower the right heel down, bend the right knee and slide the left foot forward to the fourth position. On count 3, transfer the weight to the left foot.
Now you are familiar with 3 steps that I was planning to show you today: demi-coupé, coupé, and pas-de-bourrée. Practice them several times on both feet to make yourself comfortable with the steps. And next, I would like to suggest an exercise where we combine all of them to make a little sequence to dance. In this exercise, we'll combine all the steps that we've learned today. I'm going to mark the sequence for you now. So we'll start with pas-de-bourrée forward, starting on the right foot. Pas-de-bourrée. Next, we'll do coupé forward, coupé. Another pas-de-bourrée forward, starting on the left. Pas-de-bourrée. And now, demi-coupé to the right. Demi-coupé. Now we are halfway through the sequence. We are going to repeat it, but in the different direction, starting with the pas-de-bourrée backwards on the right, on the left. Pas-de-bourrée, coupé, pas-de-bourrée, demi-coupé.
Let's try it with count first. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3.
Let's try it with music. Thank you for joining me today in another video tutorial of dancing in the garden. I hope you found it useful and easy to follow, and see you next time.